With today's product, you can add a secure bike rack to any pickup truck in a matter of minutes. It's the Pro Bike Tool Tailgate Pad for mountain bikes. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. If you're a mountain bike enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's take a look at what makes this tailgate pad so good. Specs and features. The exterior is made from a durable and waterproof PVC, able to repel whatever weather Mother Nature can throw at it. You'll also find a combination of EVA plus PP foam padding and microfleece. These help keep your bikes firmly in place and protect your truck from scratches. You'll find 12 of these foam ridges along the top of the tailgate pad. They're there to separate up to 6 bikes at once. Installation is quick and easy and should only take a few minutes, and it starts by simply draping the pad over the rear tailgate. Feed the straps through and fasten all 3 until the tailgate pad is tightly secured. The tailgate pad features a rear flap with hook and loop fastenings so you can easily get to your tailgate's handle. And if you've got a reversing camera on the back of your tailgate, the liftable panel can be raised to clear the view. Now it's time to load your bikes. Line them up and the bike is secured with a single buckle affixed to the bike's down tube. There's also 2 included storage bags for tools and accessories. So, what do we like about the Pro Bike Tool Tailgate Pad for mountain bikes? Being made with high-quality, durable materials means your truck is protected from any dents and scratches your bike would normally cause on bumpy roads. Foam dividers also protect up to 6 bikes from rubbing and banging into each other. So, what's the downside? One criticism, and we're splitting hairs here. It's a little annoying that the straps just dangle inside the truck bed after they're cinched up. It might be better to tuck those away somehow, so they're not flying around in the bed when you're driving. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy it? Make sure you measure. The 5-bike tailgate pad measures 53.5 by 32.6 inches. The 6-bike tailgate pad we reviewed measures 61.8 by 32.6 inches. Trucks smaller than a Ford F-150 might struggle with fit, so it's always better to check the sizes first. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Pro Bike Tool Tailgate Pad for mountain bikes? We're giving it an 8 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the right-hand corner and pick one up for $89.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways. And then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.